Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Shoonya Tax. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in shoonyatax.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shoonya Tax website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login/register button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. You will then be asked to fill up your credentials. Type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account, and within the password section, type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Shoonya Tax account right away. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button in order to reset your login credentials from your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Shoonya Tax. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.